Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage a to-do list with Asana. This is an excellent way to organize your personal tasks, track deadlines, and keep everything you need to accomplish in one centralized location. Let's jump right in and set this up. First, head over to Asana and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus sign, then select New Project. This is where you'll create a dedicated space for all your tasks. From the options presented, click on Blank Project. This gives you a clean slate to build your to-do list exactly how you want it without any preset templates getting in the way. Now you'll see a project name box appear. Type in My To-Do List or whatever name makes sense for you, then click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose a view. For managing a simple to-do list, the list view is your best bet as it displays tasks in a straightforward, easy-to-scan format. Select List, then click Create Project to finalize your setup. With your project created, it's time to start adding tasks. Click Add Task at the top of your task list. In the box that appears, type your first task, for example, buy groceries, and press Enter. The task is now added. Continue this process by clicking Add Task again and typing Dentist Appointment, then press Enter. Keep going with tasks like reply to emails and budget tracking, pressing Enter after each one. This builds out your complete list of everything you need to get done. Now let's make these tasks more actionable. Click on any task name to open the task detail pane on the right side of your screen. Here, click on Due Date, represented by a calendar icon, and select when you need to complete this task. This helps you prioritize and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. You can also assign the task to yourself by clicking Assignee in the same pane and choosing your name from the list. To keep your list organized, click the Add Section button above your task list. Create categories that make sense for your workflow, such as today, this week, or later. These sections act as dividers that group related tasks together. Once your sections are created, simply drag and drop tasks into the appropriate section based on their priority or timeline. Finally, as you complete tasks throughout your day, click the circle to the left of the task name to mark it complete. This gives you a visual sense of progress and keeps your active list clean and focused, and there you have it. You've successfully set up and organized a to-do list in Asana that helps you track what needs to be done, when it's due, and what you've already accomplished. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.